There's a break in the track up ahead. Let's fix the track. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the inspection station. Let's check the train. The train is dirty. Let's give it a good clean. You're awesome! Let's keep going. The train has been maintained. Let's continue on our journey. The sand is blocking the way. Let's clear the track. Awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hi! Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus little train. The passengers are on board. Keep going. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. I need this one. I need this one. Thank you. Move the crane to load. Thank you. Thank you. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Cargo handling mission accomplished. Let's head for the next station. Wow! You have arrived at the terminal. Here's a gift for you. Have a look. Wow! Congratulations! You have got a new train piece. Let's build the train now. Let's assemble a little train.